So glad you could make it.
He was the first one to come in riding here today.
Photo. Just listening.
Boys, good morning.
Good morning. Okay, photo always photo.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Now he's talking and then he'll miss his way.
One last time.
Good ride yesterday. We are at 14,553 meters at Pangongso Lake.
Feet.
Feet. And today we'll be heading out to a place called as Rongo.
Rongo.
Which is like 35 kilometers before Hanle. And we'll be having a tent set up there for 2 nights, tonight and tomorrow. Our lunch for today is also planned at the same location. It's 109 kilometers from here. Should not take more than 4 hours max to max, even if you take like 2-3 stops. Once we start from here, we go up and we take a left from the main tarmac road. We continue till a place called as Chushul. So it's a small town, a small village, as well as army base as well. We'll stop there, we'll show our documents. They might ask you for your passports as well. So just keep it handy in your pocket or in your satellite luggage. Once we start from that place, we'll stop at a place called as Rezangla, which is a war memorial. It is made in the like Indo-China war situation, which happened in 1961-62. So they made it like a very beautiful place. We can they'll explain you about what happened there, and there is a cafe as well, washrooms, everything is there. And after that we continue towards Rongo. There will be one high pass which will come, is somewhere around 14,000 feet, called as Sagala. Saga. La is always a pass. Name of that village is Saga, so that place is called as Sagala. After that, again there is a checkpost. We'll stop, show our documents, and move to our lunch point. And then again we'll reach a place called as Loma Bend. Again we have to show our documents, and then you proceed towards Rongo. No drones, because after Chushul, whatever you see on your left is China. So we'll be
China.
riding alongside the Chinese border basically. Any questions? Bharat?
Guys, next 2 days you're not going to be in network, which is today, tomorrow you're not going to be in network. You'll get back to network only day after tomorrow, somewhere in the afternoon. So that is when you're going to be back in network. So if you'll have to call up your families, drop them a text, tell them that you're absolutely safe. No news is always good news. So just inform them so that they don't get worried. Yeah?
Okay.
And and once you reach Rongo, do not exert yourself, don't roam around, don't run around. Just rest up well, because tomorrow you'll be riding to the world's highest motorable road, which is at 19,024 feet. Okay? So if at all your oxygen levels are less, then you will not be able to climb up to Umlingla. So rest up well, drink lots of water, hydrate yourself, don't roam around, and eat a lot of carbohydrates. And at higher altitudes, you don't feel like eating much, or you don't feel like drinking lots of water. But it's okay, just force yourself to drink at least 3 to 3.5, 4 liters of water at max every day. Okay? And have something light food, because you're going to be camping. And I hope you all know the basic etiquettes of camping. You dump, you clean, you flush. Because there are going to be four toilets. All of us are going to use the same. So make sure it doesn't feel bad for the person who's going to be using it next. Yeah? Yeah, any doubt? And see, no wastage of food, no wastage of water, especially during camping. Because we are going to be camping in the middle of nowhere, where usually people don't get to stay there. So we have taken special permits to camp there. So do not waste food and water or any basic essentials. Yeah? Yeah? Any doubts? Any questions?
I thought we were already in the middle of nowhere.
We're still in network. So the place that we're going to camp tonight, it's beautiful in the night. So if the weather is clear and if it's not cloudy, you get to see stars. and probably the content team you can have a chat with the content team. They can tell you how to click the photographs of the stars in the night.
Milky Way.
You can probably, if you're lucky, we get to see the Milky Way if the weather is clear. Okay, so you know who to reach out to. Nitin, Amit, Aman and Suraj, correct? Sridhar, sorry. So you can reach out to any of these guys for how to use your night vision or pro mode on your camera so that you get a good photo of your stars and skies. Cool?
Cool.
Awesome. Well, so refill your water bottles, your hydration bladders. We'll leave in 10 minutes.
Okay, perfect.
Açık.
Thank you.
Birazdan kapatacağım.
Görüşürüz.
Kullananlar diye.
2 gün bağlantı olmayacak. Hadi bakalım.
2 gün bağlantı yok.
Eve selam.
Pasaportlar bavuldaysa çıkarın.
Eve selam ediyoruz. Öpüyorum.